What is up, guys? Today, as you can probably tell by that intro, we have a snow day. I'm not sure if this is a great idea, but Shay, my friend Shay, you've probably seen him in a video or two before. He's walking across Melrose through the blizzard right now. He lives like 2 miles away, and it's literally snowing sideways right now, as you can see. Oh, or probably can't see because there's frost and ice on the window. It is coming down pretty hard right now. So out of sheer boredom, Shay decided that he would walk across town to get here. So hopefully he makes it. And I think that he's gonna film part of it as well. So I will show you guys that. And yeah, here it is.
Okay, it is currently snowing at a very fast rate. I decided it was a good idea to walk to a friend's house for a video. So we're gonna see how this goes. We're gonna see if I live. My neighbors probably think I'm psychotic. I probably am. These are some blizzard-like conditions. This journey is not for the faint of heart. Let's get a little jog going. It's getting kind of cold. I'm running on the main street now because there's no sidewalks. So we're gonna see how this goes. If a car comes, your boy might become meat on the street. Can't even see up the road. I don't know if you can see. I'm only filming on a phone. Not so fancy camera like my friend. Hi, how you doing, guys? I'm crazy. Yes, I'm riding to my friend's house in a blizzard just to get some views on an up and coming YouTube channel. It's my school. We didn't have it today because it's a blizzard. Currently about 1/15 of the way there. Visibility is an all-time low. But morale couldn't be better, you know? Getting over a sickness too, so it's probably the smartest decision if you want to be healthy. So sorry if I sound like sorry if I sound like a chain smoker sometimes. Main Street's pretty plowed. We're about 1/4 of the way there. Oh, well, side street now. It's a tennis court. No, I'm not a smart man. In case you guys are wondering how I'm filming, I have a little plastic bag over my phone right now. Hey, you looked at me. Awkward. It's the pond. It's a pretty sight. I don't think you can see it very well on the camera, but probably a little over halfway, honestly, at this point. Straightaway shot. Right down that road. It's a busy road though.
Shay?
Owen?
What's up?
Can you hear me?
What?
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Hey, when you gonna be here?
I was at the hospital, so like, I had to go straight down the straightaway from this light to the next light.
Alright, sounds good. I'll see you in a couple minutes.
So, East Emerson, so like, what did that take me to a minute and a half? We walked down the straightaway.
You'll be in like a minute?
Camera, ready.
Alright, I can't really hear you that well, but I will see you in a couple minutes.
Wait, Owen.
What? Alright, I got it ready.
Goodbye.
Bye. He sounds absolutely miserable right now. Oh my god, he was out of breath, panting. This is gonna be hilarious. Alright, I don't know if you can hear him that well, but he's gonna be here in like 1 or 2 minutes. So let's see what kind of shape he's in. I'm actually so confused as to how he got here right now. He says he's like a minute away. And there are actually no sidewalks whatsoever. No sidewalks, it's just the street. He must be walking down the middle of the street or something. The wind is crazy right now. Aiden, what do you think about Shay doing this?
It's bold.
The real question is if he's going to be able to make it home after this.
He's gonna have to sleep over.
He might have to stay the night here, so hopefully he brought a change of clothes. Knowing Shay, he probably didn't bring a change of clothes.
I told him to. I called him while he was walking. He said he did.
Look at this kid. He's just marching down the middle of the street. walking down the street like he owns the place. Look at this kid. I gotta go answer the door. This is too funny. Oh my god. How was it?
Beautiful.
Oh my god. Did you bring a change of clothes?
I got 7 layers on, so look how many layers.
Alright, he made it. He made it. How many layers do you have on right now? Let me see this. Alright, we got 1. Oh, we got 2 layers of pants on, alright.
No, 3 layers of pants on.
Oh my
I
god.
have this short sleeve that I'm gonna change into.
Shay,
Yes, Christina?
I'm sorry, this doesn't work for me for you to be here right now, do you mind?
Alright.
Shut up.
See ya. Walks across Melrose to play Fortnite on my Xbox. Hi, Shay.
Hey, Helen.
Alright, Shay's top 15 right now, getting pretty intense. What's going through your mind right now, Shay?
I'm just focused on winning, man.
Solid interview, solid interview. Caught on camera.
Shut up.
Caught on camera. Shoppy's a bush hider. It's official. You've seen it here. You've seen it here, folks. Oh my god, look at that loadout. Officially top 5. This is where boys are made into men, Shay. Wait, that sounds weird. Sure, this dude doesn't hit you, who's in this building, but...
I want him to lose.
Yeah, that'd be better for you. Yeah, this is a good spot right here. Oh, he sees you. Bill. Okay, you're good. Chill. Now the other dude knows where you are too, just remember that. That's a sick position. Get on that hill though. Oh, it's just you and him. Just you and him, Shay. He's gonna snipe you, watch out. Pause.
I'm sorry.
Don't know if you can hear me too well right now because of the GoPro. Don't know how the audio is. But we're going outside right now. We're just gonna shovel. And after that, we have a pretty awesome and stupid idea to do. So that'll be fun. Oh my god, look at the tree. What? Just gotta watch your step really quick. Running that very quickly. So the game plan right now is to hit all the snow off the tree. Sounds like a good idea to me.